Welcome to our video demonstration on wiring the Ampai one-way smart switch. We'll guide you step by step for a safe and successful installation. Before we start, ensure power is off and use a voltage tester to check for electricity in the switch box or wires. First, identify the wires in your switch box. The standard color coding is 2 black hot wires, 1 white neutral wire, and 1 bare copper or green ground wire. Label the wires if needed. Second, refer to the smart switch manual's wiring diagram. Connect the white neutral wire from the switch box to the white neutral terminal using a wire net. Next, connect the black hot wire from the switch box to the black live terminal. And then, connect the black wire to the red load terminal leading to the light fixture. Finally, connect the bare copper or green ground wire to the green ground wire on the switch. Note, this is a demonstration, so the grounding wire isn't connected. Double-check all connections and ensure no exposed wires. Restore power by flipping the breaker in the electrical panel. Now your Ampai one-way smart switch is ready to use. I will show you how to connect the switch to Apple HomeKit, scan the HomeKit setup code, follow manual instructions for Alexa or Google. And then you can control your light with your smartphone or voice assistant like Siri. Remember to follow safety guidelines and consult an electrician if needed. Possible issues you may encounter. 1. If the light doesn't respond to manual switching, check the wiring. 2. If the switch doesn't connect to your smartphone, perform a factory reset and follow the manual for HomeKit, Alexa, or Google Home instructions. 3. If scanning the QR code of the switch fails, note that it's specifically for HomeKit. Follow the manual for Alexa or Google Home instructions. Alternatively, use the AimWare app for smartphone control. Any questions, contact us for further assistance.